How's it going, everybody? Connor here, and in today's tutorial we're going to be going over how to set your field defaults in receive inventory. So now this is going to be different from one user to another, but we're going to start off by going into the top right here, selecting the user. So here I am, Connor. Then we can hit Manage Defaults. Now here you'll see this will open up to small Manage Default windows, and you have a couple options here. You can suggest location on or off. So this is for the auto suggestion algorithm of the assign location feature in Razor. So if a particular user does something that is often large items that wouldn't want to be assigned locations automatically, you can uncheck that box so it'll make it so that they'll have to be assigned manually or scanned into a location. But if there's a user doing a lot of small things that all go into your assigned location algorithm, simply check that box. Then there's also the auto generate UID and serial box, which you can check to make sure that whenever you put in an item, it will generate the UID and serial for you. And then there's also auto select unique item. Now this is something that's really useful for some particular types of users. Let's say you're bringing in a whole bunch of rather expensive items that are pretty much the same but are very different in their condition or configuration. By having the auto select unique ID on, you'll be able to have it so that every single item that you bring into the system will be its own SKU, which can be pictured and qualified and pushed to your sales channels independently. You can also set a default customer. So if one person has 90% of their customers being the same thing, or even 100% of your customer, you can set that here so it will always have that customer in for you. Likewise with condition. If your user is only receiving new things, or if somebody is only putting in things that they have already successfully refurbished, then default refurbished condition would save you a lot of time. So let's set the default condition to refurbish, default customer to Razor Demo Company. And you'll see here that it should suggest a location for me, auto generate the UID and serial, and select the unique item. So we're going to save changes. I'm going to refresh the page. And now you see that without having a single item put in, there is a customer, serial number, unique identifier, and the condition is refurbished. It can save you a lot of time and increase your workflow.